Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We'll be delving into the nutrition facts of one of the most beloved and versatile crops on the planet, corn. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's uncover the hidden treasures within this humble grain. Corn, scientifically known as maize, has been a staple food for centuries, offering a delightful crunch and a range of health benefits. Let's jump right into the nutrition facts. First up, let's talk about calories. In a single cup of cooked corn, you'll find approximately 130 calories. It's worth noting that corn is naturally low in fat, making it a great addition to a well-balanced diet. Carbohydrates are a significant energy source, and corn provides a healthy dose of them. A cup of corn contains around 29 grams of carbohydrates, including dietary fiber. This fiber promotes digestion and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Now, let's move on to protein. While corn is not as protein-rich as some other grains, it still offers a respectable amount. In a cup of corn, you'll find about 5 grams of protein, which can contribute to muscle repair and growth. Corn is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, it contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Additionally, corn is rich in vitamin B complex, including thiamine, niacin, and folate, which are vital for energy production and brain health. Now, let's talk about minerals. Corn boasts a decent amount of magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, which are all essential for maintaining healthy bones and supporting metabolic functions. One of the standout features of corn is its antioxidant content. It contains various antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Finally, let's address a common concern about corn: its sugar content. While corn does contain some natural sugars, it's important to note that the sugar content in a cup of corn is relatively low, and it won't cause a drastic spike in blood sugar levels. So there you have it, folks. Corn isn't just a delicious and versatile grain, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. From carbohydrates and protein to vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, corn offers a wide range of health benefits that can support your overall well-being. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the nutrition facts of corn. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is moderation and variety. So next time you enjoy a tasty corn dish, appreciate not only its flavor, but also the nourishment it provides. Stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.